plain cream cheese in a bowl. In a bowl. In the bowl. In the bowl. Fathead cherry chipotle hot sauce for pulleys in the cream cheese. More sauce. Bagel. Splat. Wow. Schmear. Beautiful. Before we bite into this, let's try the sauce by itself. It puts hair in my face. That's beautiful. Oh, that's scary. At a habanero heat level and cherries. Here we go. Dang! Woo! Why is it so spicy? Dang, how many habaneros you put in there, Pulley? I was thinking it was gonna be friendly. It's not friendly. There's not a single thing. There might be one thing. Ow, that Stephen, the Pulleys is made. That's mild. This isn't one. This isn't one of them. Oh my God. It's sweet and fruity. Like cherries. And then it's smoky like Chipotle. And then it's so spicy. It's so hot. But it goes away fast. It needs more sauce. Mixing it in the cream cheese kills the heat a little bit and really lets that flavor of the cherry shine through. That's awesome.